When the pandemic hit, criminal court shut down. Thousands of cases were put on hold. Now, 4 years later, Shelby County is still digging itself out of a giant backlog. Fingers are being pointed as many question what needs to happen to make some progress.
WRG investigators are digging deeper to find out what's really going on. Our chief investigator, Jessica Gertler, starts tonight with those who just can't seem to move on, some waiting half a decade for some kind of justice.
I guess it's just me.
I'm at the stove and, I didn't know what it was.
8-year-old Jordan Washington shot and killed inside the home she shared with her grandmother.
And I was like, get up, baby. And I saw that she couldn't.
It was November 22nd, 2020. Police say Cedric Conley fired an assault-style rifle at a group he was arguing with in a Raleigh apartment complex. One of the bullets pierced through a kitchen, striking 8-year-old Jordan Washington.
Oh, man.
Jason Washington's youngest child.
That was my baby, man. That was my everything right there.
Police captured Conley in New Orleans 2 weeks later. 3 months after that, he got out on a $500,000 bond. Since then, there's been dozens of report dates and a new judge.
Did you think that it would be taking this long?
No, for sure. No. If you talk to the DA and talk to certain people, I voiced how irritated I am with that process.
Good morning, sir.
On March 7th, Conley reported to court again. Judge Carlin Addison said she's ready to resolve this case that's now more than 3 years old. Conley's attorney, Michael Scholl, explained why the trial didn't happen in January.
We've had everything ready. We did not get ballistics back from the Tennessee Bureau of Investigations, which has been an ongoing problem through COVID, since COVID, and now.
He says they just got the ballistic testing results.
And until we had all the evidence, we really couldn't talk.
And that talk, he says, is expected to happen before Conley is back in court in April. If it doesn't, Judge Addison proposed a trial date for this summer, but November was the only time that worked for both parties.
It's nerve-wracking. It's like, is anybody getting justice?
See, COVID shut down the courts, creating a massive backlog of cases. As crime also increased, it worsened delays that were already a concern in the justice system.
Everybody's questioned why it's taken 5 years to get here, and we have 2.
Brittany Rowe had hoped to finally go to trial in December, but instead, one of the men accused of killing her father, Phil Trineri, 5 years ago, accepted a plea deal for a lesser charge. COVID delayed the case. Then his attorney took a job for the district attorney's office. The defense filed motions stalling the case even more. And right before trial, prosecutors were trying to track down a main witness, suddenly released from jail on another case.
It really was a series of unfortunate events.
Many working within the justice system say the longer the case takes, the more likely something happens that makes it harder for the prosecutor, like a witness no longer wanting to participate. It delays justice for victims and jeopardizes the defendant's constitutional right to a speedy trial. It also poses a public safety threat, with so many defendants walking free until their case is resolved. As crime increased, the backlog has entered the spotlight. Fingers are being pointed, threats are being made. Scholl says one issue that's made it worse, the turnaround times for crucial evidence.
Drug testing, ballistics on homicide cases.
All evidence in Shelby County is sent to a state lab 90 miles away in Jackson. Since 2019, WREG investigators told you that evidence was taking months to process and slowing down the judicial system. In 2022, the delays made headlines yet again when a Memphis mother was kidnapped and killed. The suspect was accused of a sexual assault from the year before, but due to the backlog, the TBI says it didn't test the rape kit or connect the dots until it was too late. Around that time, it was taking up to 15 months to process certain evidence. After that, the TBI finally got some of the funding it's requested for years and took steps to speed things up, like outsourcing and hiring more people. 3 new hires expected to start at the Jackson lab soon. However, it takes time to train the new hires. As of January, the TBI reports on average a 6-month turnaround time to process forensic biology and violent crimes, 4 to 6 months for rape kits, and almost 16 months for firearm analysis. A spokesperson stating they expect gradual progress as more of the new hires work toward completing the required training.
Shelby County District Attorney Steve Mulroy has repeatedly called on the state to open another crime lab here in Memphis, one that does rapid DNA and 24-hour ballistic testing, claiming it will really start to move cases along. The Memphis City Council has talked about doing a feasibility study, and local lawmakers have also filed a bill hoping to get a study done, meaning if a crime lab happens, it'll be years from now.
And what it doesn't do, help the families.
You try to heal, but it you don't.
Still waiting for some kind of closure. They say Jordan made you want to be a better person. And in her 8 short years, she left a mark.
She came down here, did what she was supposed to do. In the worst times of her life, she was happy. She'll literally teach you how to live.
Jessica Gertler, WREG News Channel 3.
Well, since COVID, we know fewer trials are happening, but is it really impacting the justice system? Depends on who you ask. Our top leaders react to the data we've uncovered tomorrow on the news at 10.